Now let me show you the 12 series. This gives you a really good indication of the tonal direction from each of the 12 series. We have two new colours, 1221 and 1249. Out of all of these, 12-1 is our softest neutraliser, and our strongest neutralising is the 12-2-1, which is incredible at killing off all that unwanted warmth. All of these are neutralising, and then this one here, the 12-4-9, one of the new ones, is a beautiful fashion shade. We have a limitless possibilities working with the 12 series. We can mix different colours together to create something totally new. Everything can be bespoke for your client, and very easily too. So here we just have a few possibilities for you. We have some cool mixes and some warm mixes, all on a 12 series. Now here, if you look at this, we have a 12-4-9 with 12-1. Now this, because you want that kind of fashion shade to it, use 9%, because you want all that deposit of the -4-9. Now when you think about coming to a base 6, and you want all the lift and the deposit of the tone, you're going to go in with 12%. Here we've got the 12-2-1, our brand new colour, mixed with 12-2, so you're going to get maximum neutralisation. Now the 12 series is not all about these kind of light super blonde effects. Some of our clients want something that's either softer or with a little bit more tone, but they're on a darker base. So here we have some examples, just a few, for a warmer kind of mix. If you use the 12-4-9 with the 12-0, immediately you're going to have a little bit more of that warmth from the -4-9. I would use that with 9%. If you think about a base 6, this is a stunning, stunning colour. It's again the 12-2-1, so you're still going to go in with a 12-2-1. Instead of the 12-2, you're going to add the fashion shade, the 12-4-9, and that will give you a softer, slightly warmth, but with that iridescent feel. Stunning. Here, what I wanted to do is to show you the importance of mixing the right tone from the 12 series for your client. Here on the left, you have 12-0 on a base 6. On the right, it's 12-2-1, both with 12% and both left for 45 minutes. That 45 minutes is really important because it's giving you all the time to lift. 2/3 of the processing time is lifting only. And then that last third is where the deposit of the pigment, the tonal of the pigment, drops down and deposits. So it's really super, super important that you leave it on for the full development time.